Called to a patient having a psychotic episode at a boat ramp. Due to public safety concerns, 2 police units are already on scene.
I think they're actually holding him down now. He's not unconscious.
The man has been handcuffed for safety.
I might just go and have a chat.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Hello. Obviously not unconscious anymore. Good day. My name's Jan.
It's from the handcuffs. I'm not going to take call me stretcher. My rib cage, my heart, it's border pumping it. I'm telling you to do it now before I run out of time.
When we pull up, he's just erratic, like super strong and just...
Somebody ring you?
Yeah, he's
all right.
really aggressive.
Have you had any drugs or alcohol today?
No, I can't breathe and I don't eat.
Okay. Where do you live?
Right here.
Right here? You got any family or anything nearby?
No, I'm dead.
No, you're dead, are you? Okay.
Yeah, you did say it earlier.
Oh, you had some meth? Okay, no worries. Do you have meth pretty regularly?
Well, we take that job, Sergeant.
When you have patients that are affected by ice, they're incredibly unpredictable. They can become incredibly strong. But you can have a patient that is quite small that requires 6 police officers to restrain them, and it's still unsafe.
Is it all right if I do your blood sugars and just see if your blood sugars are okay?
It'll be 0.
Okay. There's going to be a little sharp prick in your finger. Is that all right?
Yeah, but that's really...
Okay, good. All right, thank you. All right. Have you got any medical conditions?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Okay. That's a pretty bad one, isn't it? So what I'm going to do, we're going to take you to the hospital, and they can pronounce you dead there. Hey, how's that sound?
I need to do it here.
I can't do it here. I can't get a doctor out
$1
here.
million to do it here.
Have you got $1 million?
Yes, I do.
Oh, my
I'm in
God.
the briefcase. Looking at you now.
Where's the briefcase? Quick, let's get that and go.
Oh, in the briefcase.
All right. Can we get you on that? Hang on, let me just get the bed down for you. Thank you. We're just going to get him up, chuck him on, and just see how he goes. That's the way. No, it's all right. Maybe down a little bit further.
That person, you're real stupid.
Bum up here a bit. Just trying to get this bum down there. That's it. Good job. You're right there. Do you want to sit up a little bit, or you're okay?
No.
All right. The patient's telling me that he's dead. And so if you can make light of the situation, have a smile with the police, that is what it takes to get you through that job.